Assalamu Alaikum viewers. Today I will learn about some basic codes of Stoll software. Today's video will be very interesting for you. Front net with transfer. Back net with transfer.
A smile crept up with a tinge of sighs.
Front tuck with transfer.
In days gone by,
Back tuck with transfer. Let's create a structure with front net, back net, front tuck, and back tuck.
with hearts so free, chasing dreams as the wind would be.
We create another structure with front net, back net, and back tuck. This is called a half cardigan.
Our friendship, a precious spree.
Front net without transfer.
Fading, a slow goodbye. Memories linger,
Full needle.
making me sad.
Full needle with front knit without transfer and back knit also.
We used to fly, but now it's gone in and by. Time passed
Front net, back tuck.
like a silent stream. Our paths diverged.
Back net, front tuck.
Less and less we had.
Let's create a design.
Distance grew like a mountain steep. We change with life,
Front tuck and back tuck.
but deep inside,
Let's create a design. Use front and back tuck.
the love we shared in stories untold. Now a fading chapter, growing old.
Front split.
Friendships fading, a slow goodbye.
Misnet, front misnet, back misnet.
Making me sigh. I miss those days we used to fly, but now it's gone in and by.
When you need to decrease and add rows, press the insert button. On your keyboard, add and decrease the needles and rows you need.
Times we had, the trust we'd spend, though we're apart, my heart still yearns for that love.
Transfer icon front and back. Add racking for needles on the left or right.
The friendship's fading, a slow goodbye. Memories lingering, making me sigh.
I'm not talking about all the topics because it will be big in the video.
Used to fly, but now it's gone.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe
Friendship, a part of me.
and click on the bell icon to get new videos. And stay with me by liking the video. Share the video to get new videos.
Was lost, yet will
Thanks for watching. Stay happy and love everyone.